Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make BBQ sauce using oyster sauce. First, gather your base ingredients. You'll need 1/2 cup of oyster sauce, which provides a rich umami foundation, and 1/4 cup of ketchup for classic BBQ flavor. Next, incorporate 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar to introduce a pleasant tang. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of brown sugar to balance the flavors with a touch of sweetness. This combination creates a unique and delicious starting point for your sauce. To elevate the flavor profile, stir in 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika. This adds a wonderful depth. Then, incorporate 1/2 teaspoon each of garlic powder and onion powder for aromatic complexity. Once all ingredients are combined, gently simmer the sauce over low heat for about 10 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully and the sauce to thicken slightly, creating a more cohesive and delicious blend. Now let's perfect the consistency. If your sauce is too thick, add a small amount of water, 1 tablespoon at a time, until it reaches your desired texture. Conversely, if it's too thin, continue simmering for a few more minutes. Always taste and adjust seasonings, adding salt or pepper as needed. Once cooled, transfer your homemade BBQ sauce to an airtight container. It will keep well in the refrigerator for up to 7 days. This versatile oyster sauce BBQ creation is fantastic on so many dishes. Try brushing it generously on grilled ribs, chicken, or pulled pork for an incredible flavor boost. It also makes an excellent dipping sauce for crispy fries, chicken tenders, or even spring rolls. For an effortless home upgrade, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to this amazing product, along with other great deals, in the description below. Enjoy your delicious homemade sauce.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.